Payroll deductions can be complex, but ADP's calculators handle the math. Understanding how they work helps you forecast costs and explain pay to your team. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way it works. ADP automatically calculates mandatory deductions, like federal, state income tax and FICA, based on each employee's W-4 and pay rate. For other deductions, health insurance, 401k, garnishments, you define the rules during setup. To see the calculation, run a payroll preview before submitting. This report shows each employee's gross pay, a line-by-line list of all deductions, and their final net pay. The calculations follow the federal, state, and plan rules you've configured. My crucial pro tip: use the Deduction Audit report. This specialized report helps you verify that voluntary deductions, like benefits, are being applied correctly across all employees, ensuring no one is over or undercharged. With this insight, you move from guessing to knowing exactly where every dollar goes. Do you find pre-tax or post-tax deductions more confusing to manage? Share your thoughts below. If you like guides that demystify payroll, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.